Okay, so I know it's like 2 a.m. and I should probably be sleeping, but first I want to show you guys something. Just hold on. Look at this. Bam! New computer! Just like that. Or, well, either. This is my brother's old computer. He got a new one, so he passed the old one down to me, you know? And I cannot stress enough how good this fucking thing is. It's like, Jesus. It's so much faster, so much more space. I have like a whole terabyte of just data, just like that. And yeah, I don't think I'm really gonna do anything big with it, you know? But now, if I ever wanna make some more complex videos or something like that, I can actually do it. I don't have any restrictions, you know? God, I'm so excited about this, I just really wanted to tell you guys. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, goodbye. See you later.